مرحبا أهلا وسهلا بكم. Welcome again to our Gateway to Arabic channel with me, Dr. Imran Hamza Alawiye. Today's lesson, let's continue learning our vocabulary. We're still using the root letter system. And today's letters are ذال, ها, and با. ذهب, يذهب, ذهاب. And that is a verb to go. So ذهب means he went. ذهبت, she went. ذهبت, I went. ذهبنا, we went. ذهبت, you male singular went. ذهبت, you female singular went. Now present tense is يذهب. يذهب, he goes. تذهب, she goes. أذهب, I go. نذهب, we go. تذهب, you male singular go. And تذهبين, you female singular go. The verbal noun is ذهاب, going or departure. Sentences, please. هل تريد أن تذهب معنا إلى المسرح ظهر اليوم؟ هل تريد أن تذهب معنا إلى المسرح ظهر اليوم؟ Do you want to go to the theater with us this afternoon? هل تريد? تريد is a verb to want. هل تريد, speaking to a man. Do you want? If you're speaking to a woman, you say هل تريدين. So هل تريد أن تذهب? Do you want to go with us معنا? Speaking to a man, to a woman, you say هل تريدين أن تذهبي معنا إلى المسرح, to the theater, ظهر اليوم, this afternoon? We can say نعم بكل سرور, with pleasure, yes please. Or let's make an excuse. We can say مع الأسف أنا ذاهب إلى طبيب الأسنان. مع الأسف أنا ذاهب إلى طبيب الأسنان. مع الأسف, unfortunately. أنا ذاهب, I am going, a man speaking. A woman will say أنا ذاهبة, I'm going. إلى طبيب الأسنان, to the dentist. Pain in my teeth. إلى طبيب الأسنان. Okay. What else can we get from the ذهب يذهب? We can use a verbal noun instead of subjunctive to convey the same meaning, saying هل ترغب في, هل ترغب في الذهاب إلى المسرح معنا ظهر اليوم? Would you like to go with us to the theater this afternoon? So instead of هل تريد أن تذهب, we can say هل ترغب في, and that is verb to express your wishes to do something. Would you like to? في الذهاب, that's a noun. Would you like to go with us to the theater ظهر اليوم? Okay. From ذهب يذهب, we can also, if you want to say to somebody, say, go away from me. So you can use this verb in imperative form. اذهب عني. Speaking to a man. اذهب عني. Go away from me. Go away. اذهب عني. Use عن. اذهب عني. Go away from me. And if you are trying to shush away the woman, you will say اذهبي عني. Go away from me. من فضلك, please. اذهبي عني. Go away from me. Okay. Another sentence we can say لن يذهب لغيرك شيء قد كتبه الله لك. لن يذهب لغيرك شيء قد كتبه الله لك. Nothing that God has ordained for you will go to someone else. Someone else will not get it if it is ordained for you. لن يذهب. We say يذهب here because of لن. That's a negation strongly. لن يذهب. It will never go. لن يذهب لغيرك. لن يذهب لغيرك شيء. That's mean thing. قد كتبه الله لك, which God has ordained for you. Okay. What other phrase we can use which has ذهب يذهب in it? Okay, you can use ذهب figuratively as well. So we can say ذهب جهده سدى. ذهب جهده سدى. His efforts were in vain. ذهب جهده سدى. Or we can say ذهب كل عمله أدراج الرياح. To convey the same meaning, ذهب كل عمله أدراج الرياح. As mean all his work came to nothing. In vain, nothing. ذهب كل عمله أدراج الرياح. Or you can just say ذهب مع الرياح. ذهب مع الرياح. Gone with the wind. رياح. Okay. Now, the noun ذهاب, you can say أريد or أود if you like أن أشتري تذكرة ذهاب وإياب. أود or أريد, I would like to. أن أشتري, to buy, تذكرة ذهاب وإياب, return ticket. تذكرة is a ticket. ذهاب, that means go. إياب, to return. So I would like to buy a return ticket. من فضلك, please. Now, what else can we get? A noun, another noun from ذهب يذهب, you can get ذهب. ذهب is gold. Gold. So we can say الذهب الذهب الأسود. That's mean black gold. That's oil. The adjective from ذهب is ذهبي. ذهبي. That's mean golden. Golden. ذهبي. Such as فرصة ذهبية. فرصة ذهبية. That's mean golden opportunity. So I can say to you هذه فرصتك الذهبية لتتعلم اللغة العربية معي. This is your golden opportunity to learn Arabic with me. On this channel. هذه فرصتك الذهبية لتتعلم اللغة العربية معي. Okay. What else can we get? We can get the saying إذا كان الكلام من فضة فالسكوت من ذهب. إذا كان الكلام من فضة فالسكوت من ذهب. That means if talking is silver, then silence is golden. Indeed, إذا كان الكلام من فضة فالسكوت من ذهب. Indeed. Here we go. At the end of this lesson, I hope you have benefited again and acquire more vocabulary, particularly a theme which is underpinning these root letters val, ha, and ba. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and send this link to those who might derive benefit from it. Thank you so much. See you next time, inshallah. مع السلامة. إلى اللقاء في